Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a quick manicure using the Gelish Foundation Flex. This is a new product and I am so excited to try it out. The Foundation Flex works like a second skin for nails, offering instant volume and ultra-light flexible protection with a barely there feel. Gelish sent me their Foundation Flex in clear, pretty self-explanatory, cover beige, which banishes imperfections with the perfect semi-opaque beige, light pink, which revives pale nails with a tender pop of pink, and light nude, a soft neutral that magically blurs imperfections. I couldn't wait to get this product on my nails, so I'm going to dive right into this manicure while I tell you a little bit more about the Foundation Flex. For starters, you don't need a base coat. I'm applying a thin layer of the pH bond before putting on my UV protective gloves. From there, I'm jumping right into the polish. I decided to use light pink today because I love the hint of color and the jelly-like finish of this particular shade. The Foundation Flex was created with Gelish's advanced foundation-based technology. It virtually cocoons nails in their unique rubberized gel system. The nails are infused with supernatural flexibility, making breaks and snaps a thing of the past. I applied just a thin coat of this, making sure to avoid the skin and cuticles before curing it under my lamp for 30 seconds. Once cured, apply a thin second coat of the Foundation Flex. You can wear it alone or add color afterwards, but today I'm going to leave it as it is. Once the second coat is on, cure that for another 30 seconds. Originally, I didn't realize that a top coat was recommended when using the Foundation Flex, but it's no big deal. I'm using Gelish's Top It Off to paint a final coat on all of my nails before curing for 30 more seconds. I'm going to spray a cleansing solution onto all of my nails to gently remove the sticky layer with a cotton ball before going off camera to quickly paint my other hand. I really love how this mani turned out. My nails are super short. I broke my thumb really deep last week, so I cut them all down, but I'm embracing the change. For the finishing touch, I'm going to add a little bit of cuticle oil to each of my nails and gently massage it in. This color is really stunning. It's so simple, clean, classic, and something that you can wear for weeks on end without getting sick of it. I'm excited to try the other Foundation Flex colors and the clear in the future. I'm a huge fan of Gelish's structure gel, especially when used for overlays, but this product may have just completely replaced that. If you're looking for something to repair, protect, volumize, and transform your nails with minimal time and effort, I really think you would love this. I'll link everything in the description box below. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!